Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video I have for you something very different. I have for you the battle of two let's just not say highlighters, they are more like illuminating bases, more like illuminating primers. So I have two primers from two Indian brands that I feel are similar, need to be reviewed together, which is the Swiss Beauty ka real base and this Mars ka Illuminati base. I have tried them. I am wearing like half. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's go. Now the reason why I'm actually battling them out is because both of these, number one, are Indian brands. I have been using this one for around, like, I got this in 2020 end or 2021 starting, and I've been wearing it since then, and this is something I purchased recently, but nonetheless I have been loving this as well. Now they work very similar. Okay, the functionality is same, you know, they are glowing primers, and you know, these Indian brands, they sort of like work hand in hand. They have almost very similar things, you know, one brand comes out with something, the other one comes out with it again. So you know, I think we need to see what works and what not works. Okay, so the Swiss Beauty ka real base costs for rupees 349, which is 350 rupees, right? And this is in the shade N03 pink tint, right? Swiss Beauty you can get on off, so you can definitely get this one at lesser price. And now this one is Mars Illuminati base in two pink beams, so of course both of them are pink. That is what I went for. This cost 249 rupees, so of course it's like 100 rupees less than Swiss Beauty ka base. So if this works better than Swiss Beauty, why would you need that one, right? If you have this, you don't need this. If you have this, you don't need this, and that is what I mean. Okay, so let's start off with Swiss Beauty ka real base, and I'm just going to give you like one drop of it, you know, just to show you how both of them look against each other, and a little bit from here. So this is Swiss Beauty ka real base and this is Mars. Okay, they are very similar. I think Mars pulls off a little bit more pinky, like this is Mars one, it's a little bit more pink, and this has a little bit more rose gold type of sheen to it. So that is the difference of color in both of them. Even though Swiss Beauty says it's pink, it's not exactly pink, while the Mars one is very pink. Okay, now I have a thing with this one. The smell of it is, yeah, like I cannot tolerate the smell of this one, for the love of God. Now I absolutely hate the smell of this one. It's extremely perfumey and bad. I don't like it. That is the first thing. This one again is very perfumey, but I can, you know, tolerate it slightly more than this one, which, yeah, I mean, they shouldn't be putting so many perfumes and so much khushbu in bases and everything, right? So yeah, that is that. Now let's try them out, right? Let me just insert, you know, the clip. Okay. Now Swiss Beauty ka real base, as you can see, is a little bit more subtle, right? It actually gives you this natural glow. If you wear it without foundation, it would look like you are glowing from inside without actually looking like you have put on something. I mean, of course thoda sa lagega, but utna zyada nahi. While Mars wala is a little bit more artificial in that context. So if you're somebody who's wearing foundation on top of this, Mars wala would be the one you should go for. But if you're somebody who wants to, you know, just wear it on its own, I think Swiss Beauty can be the one. But I also feel like if you can tone the Mars wala down with a little bit of moisturizer, so they would just balance out each other, hai na? So if you just get one, the Mars wala, I think you can just use it both ways, by diluting it and by using it with the foundation itself, and that is what it is. Now, in my opinion, if you want what I have loved recently, I think I would always go with this Mars ka Illuminati wala base. This one, I think this one is better than this, and the reason is that this makes my base look better. Okay, I just feel sometimes this sort of gives you this cakey look which this doesn't, and it looks really pretty. Like, ever since I've used this, I haven't put this down, and obviously I wasn't satisfied with this one. That's why I switched to this one, and this is where I'm at right now. So if you are somebody who would like to go with something that wouldn't make your face cakey, I would say go with the Mars wala. And as I said, you can dilute this one to use it on its own without, you know, foundation and stuff. So I would say this is where I'm at. Okay, this is where I would want you to go. Okay, now let me read the claims as well. The Swiss Beauty Real Base Highlighting Primer, it brightens your skin, it modifies your pores, nourishes and moisturizes. Now it brightens the skin in sense ki, okay, it gives you that certain glow, it definitely does. It doesn't modify your pores, let me be honest, it doesn't do shit to your pores, and it does not nourishes or moisturizes. It is just something that sits on the top of your skin, it wouldn't nourish you. Okay, I am an oily skin person, I'm not extremely dry, so if it didn't do anything for me, I don't think it will do anything for, you know, somebody who has dry skin. On the other hand, this Mars Illuminati base, they don't have claims. Okay, they just say that gift a subtle glow to your skin with Mars Illuminati base. It is loaded with light reflecting microparticles. It can be used underneath the foundation, without a foundation, or as a highlighter above foundation. Now I haven't tried this as a highlighter above foundation, but I definitely mixed it with a little bit of foundation today, and you can see the glow. Okay, you can see how highlighting I look already. The base is dewy, of course. As I said, I like this one. Now the quantity of this one is 0.45 ml, and the quantity of this one is 30 ml. Like, I mean, listen, 30 ml for 350 rupees, while 45 ml, what did I say, 0.45, it is written like 0.45 over here. So this is 45 ml for 250 rupees, and this one is 30 ml for 350 rupees. So definitely Swiss Beauty is on a little bit more costlier side. So if you want to, you know, think about this as well, obviously Mars is where you should be. Okay, and yeah, I mean, both of them are made in PRC. Okay, and you know, something that is made on PRC, I'm not sure, but I think they test on animals, and they aren't cruelty free exactly if they are made in PRC. So if that something bothers you, I would say stay away from both of these. Okay, yeah. So that is that for today's video, you guys. I think I helped you out. I hope I did. And yeah, like this video and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.